8 of the most harmful foods for the prostate gland. Greetings and welcome to this video on YouTube that discusses the foods that are worst for the prostate. Within the male reproductive system is a tiny gland called the prostate. It generates seminal fluid, which aids in sperm transportation and nutrition. Maintaining the health of the prostate is crucial for both reproductive and urinary health. Certain meals can damage the prostate and raise the chance of developing urinary tract issues or possibly prostate cancer. We'll talk about the worst foods for the prostate in this video, along with how eating them may impact your overall health. Thus, let's get started right now. A healthy lifestyle can help lower inflammation, enhance urinary health, and lower the risk of prostatic hyperplasia, prostatitis, and prostate cancer in addition to the natural aging process of the prostate. Foods that have a detrimental impact on the prostate should be limited or avoided. Try consuming as little of the foods on this list of the worst foods as possible. 1. Alcohol. Overindulging in alcohol consumption is detrimental to the prostate because, as multiple studies have shown, it can exacerbate symptoms of lower urinary tract problems like poor urine flow, difficulties emptying the bladder, or trouble starting to urinate. Alcohol's diuretic effects can exacerbate prostate issues. 2. Spicy foods. For the benefit of their prostate, patients with urinary tract problems should avoid spicy foods since, while they may not directly affect the prostate, they may irritate the bladder, exacerbating symptoms like urgency and incontinence. However, studies have connected elements of hot food, such capsaicin, to protective effects against cancer and other ailments, like heart and lung conditions. 3. Saturated fats. In general, saturated fats are bad for you. More specifically, because they can release the strongest inflammatory cytokines, they have a high inflammatory potential and do not positively impact prostate health. Studies have even shown evidence that diets heavy in saturated fats may worsen prostate cancer. 4. Salt. Oversalting your food can increase your chance of developing problems related to your prostate, such as trouble peeing or incomplete bladder emptying. Additionally, it has been discovered that symptoms such as frequent urination and nighttime awakenings for bathroom breaks can get worse. Try using spices rather than salt to flavor your food to steer clear of these problems. These spices are rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, sedative and antitussive properties, and digestive aids. 5. Cheese and butter. Cheese and butter are not the best options for people who are worried about keeping a healthy prostate since they are heavy in sodium and saturated fat, according to a review of studies from the Mayo Clinic published in the Journal of the American Osteopathic Association. Prostate cancer rates are greater in Western countries where dairy is the main source of calcium, and lower in Asian countries where a more green-based diet provides calcium. 6. Red meat and sausages. Consuming large amounts of red and processed meat products, such as sausages, has been associated with an increased risk of prostate cancer. In addition, cooking red meat at high heats results in the production of acrylamide, a chemical that causes cancer. With its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, fish can actually be healthy, but chicken doesn't seem to have the same effect. 7. Processed foods. Processed foods bad for prostate. Studies like Proteus, which were carried out in Canada between 2005 and 2012, have shown that eating processed foods can raise your risk of developing prostate cancer as well as other cancers. The study's findings indicate that a person's risk of prostate cancer increased with their intake of processed meals. Pre-cooked meals, commercial drinks, hot dogs, cakes, cookies, breakfast cereals, and fast food are examples of processed foods. 8. Industrial sauces. Store-bought salad dressings and sauces should be avoided since they frequently have high sodium and saturated fat content, both of which are associated with prostate issues. Now that you are aware of the foods that cause the most damage to the prostate, it is critical to ensure that you are maintaining a healthy, balanced diet. Eating a diet that is low in saturated fat, cholesterol, nitrates, trans fats, and sugar can help to reduce your risk of prostate disease and cancer. I appreciate you watching, and I hope this information was useful. If so, please let us know in the comments section. It encourages us to create more content of this nature. Best of luck.